Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to tell you a very simple technique which will help you to start making sentences in English. Yes guys, it is a framework, it is a technique which can help you to start making sentences in English. We find it very difficult to come up with sentences, right? And that is where we fail to speak. We don't know whether our sentences are correct, whether we are able to make proper sentences, whether what we are saying is right or wrong. So we are very confused. We're not able to speak out. So today in this session, I'm going to tell you a very simple technique which will help you to start making sentences in English and to start speaking in English. This will also help you to gain confidence and fluency if you practice it regularly, consistently, at least for 30 days. And you'll see a lot of difference in your speech, in your clarity and fluency. But before that, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, to write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So we take a lot of efforts in building sentences and making sentences and coming up with sentences. But we are again not sure whether these sentences are correct or not. And we lose confidence in ourselves also, whether we should speak or not. It's so as simple as somebody's asked you a question, what is your name? And we fear to answer this question also completely. We just tell our name. We're not even sure how to make a complete sentence out of it, like my name is so and so. We just end up saying our name only. So this is where we lack confidence and we lack fluency. So this technique which I'm going to tell you today is a magic wand. It is absolutely going to help you in many ways. Whether you are a beginner, it is the best for beginners. But if you are a beginner, intermediate, or still struggling with English speaking, it will help all of us to get fluent and confident in speaking in English for sure. So what is this technique? This is a very simple technique of asking questions. Now I'll give you an example to tell you how this helps. Now for example, I gave you an example in the beginning that when we are asked a question, what is your name? We end up saying our name only. We are not able to make sentence also. So my name is so and so. So that is why this technique is very fruitful. So here in this technique, what we are going to do is we are going to practice questions. We are going to come up with a list of questions and we are going to answer those questions, right? For example, first question is, how are you? Let's answer this question. I am very well. I am good. I am fine. I am not so well. I'm feeling sick. Okay, so just a simple answer. How are you? I am good. I am fine. Whatever. Simple answer. If you want to add something, you can still add there. So for beginners, you can just start answering the question in this way. How are you? I am good. I am fine. Whatever you want to say. If you want to add one or two more sentences to it, let's try that also. I am good. Everything is going well. I am enjoying summers. Whatever you want to, you can just add there. So it depends what, if you are a beginner, if you're an intermediate, or if you are a learner of English, you can just keep on adding more sentences to it, depending on your level. Okay, so this is how we can answer this question, how are you? Let's take another question. What do you do? I am a student. I'm doing my BE or BTech in computer science, or I'm doing my MBA in marketing. Whatever you are, you just try to talk about it, right? If you are a professional, you can just say, I am an engineer and I am working with so and so company. Just a simple answer. Now, if you want to add more details to it, 1 or 2 more sentences to it, you can definitely add it. Let's try that. I'm a student and I'm doing my BE or BTech in computer science from so and so university. I love finding solutions to technical problems and I love exploring new technology. This is how you can talk about your degree or the education which you are pursuing. Or whatever you wish, you can just add that as well. If you want to say something exciting about your field, you can just add that also. Coming to the professionals, I'm an engineer working with so and so company. I'm a Java developer and I love writing codes. I'm also exploring full stack technology. Okay, so this is how you can add details to your answer, right? Depending on your level. So ask a question, simple basic questions. See, I just asked how are you and what do you do? So these are 2 basic questions which comes up every single day. Try to be as creative as you can be. I don't have much time, so I can't come up with a script and talk about it. But you have ample time, guys. You can just think about it, come up with 3-4 sentences, 4 to 5 sentences about it and start speaking. In this way, you'll be able to make sentences also easily because you know what has been asked and you can answer the question directly there. Okay, so questions are the best source to come up with an answer. You will definitely be able to answer questions in English. One last question I'm going to take up is, what is your hobby? Now this question is also very basic and you can just keep on talking about it. But since I told you that I'm just going to give you a simple example or a sample of 1 sentence, 2 to 3 sentences, not more than that. But you can keep on adding it. It is your task to keep on adding answers or details in your answers. Come up with as many sentences as you can, whatever you can make. And don't worry about whether the sentence is correct or not. You should gain confidence first in speaking in English, right? And everything will fall in place. Once you start coming up with sentences, once you start building up new sentences, automatically you will keep on correcting yourself. So don't hesitate. Don't try to be perfect. At least start with making sentences. Whether it is right or wrong doesn't matter. So don't think about it. Let's take up this question now. My hobby is to read books. Or my hobby is to explore new places. This is a very simple answer which I can give. Or my hobby is gardening. My hobby is cooking or baking. Or my hobby is playing sports, etc. Exercising, dancing, whatever. There are lots of hobbies people pursue and we all have it, right? So we can directly talk about it. Now, if you want to add 2-3 more sentences to it, how we can do that? Okay, so the first sentence is, I love reading books. Books are a great source of information. I have learned a lot by reading. I have gained a lot of knowledge about different things only by reading. And it is very interesting, trust me on this. If you start reading, you will definitely enjoy your free time and you will not need anything else. So this is how I just spoke about my hobby. In this way, whatever hobby you have, you know why it is helpful, why it is your hobby, what is that which attracts you about it. You know that, right? So just try to frame it in sentences or make sentence out of it. Simple basic sentences. Put your thoughts across. Try doing this. Try using this method, guys. I'm very sure it is going to help you. You will be able to make sentences in English on these questions. So these are the 3 common questions which I've taken up in this session. Probably in the next session, I'm going to take up another 3 questions so that it becomes easier for you to start practicing it in this way. And you don't have to work on it. You can just take up my sessions and you can just practice it along with me or after me, and you can start adding your own answers in this way. And you can start adding more sentences to practice English speaking. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.